Hi, my name is Koby Mike. I'm a PhD student at the Technion in Israel.
And my name is Dr. Leah Levin. I'm from the Bob Chappell School of Social Work at Tel Aviv University in Israel as well.
Okay, so we are trying to locate a new social worker responses to the COVID-19 crisis using NLP and topic analysis.
Thank you, Koby. So I'll just share a few words about social work in Israel and COVID-19. A couple of things to say about the social context on the eve of COVID-19. Israel is considered a hybrid welfare state conjoining modern as well as Middle Eastern and traditional characteristics. It has staggering social inequalities for a Western country, and it deals with internal as well as several external political and other conflicts. In terms of social work, the professional context sees a mixed arena of service provision in Israel, in a chronic state of underfunding, extremely large caseloads guided by what is often contradictory regulation. With the outbreak of COVID-19, the State of Israel immediately began rolling back social programs while misrecognizing the vital role of social services in a state of national emergency. And at the same time, social services report encountering new problems and changes in existing problems of their service users. In response, several newly constructed, creative, and innovative models of practice and organizing services are being developed and discussed in diverse contexts and in different stages of state emergency. We believe that it is crucial to document, analyze, and conceptualize this rapidly accumulating relevant professional knowledge in order to increase preparedness for future crises and suggest effective ways for policy and practice to cope with present challenges.
Thank you, Leah. Now we'll talk about data and analysis. Our first choice to collect data is messages that social workers post on closed groups, like Facebook, professional discussion boards, and WhatsApp groups. Currently, we have a pending request for permission to collect the data. However, we do not have the data yet, so we are looking for more sources of data, as well as more ideas where can we collect data. So if you have any sources of data that might help us or ideas where can we get data for this research, we will be happy to hear about. Also, regarding analysis, we are looking for an appropriate topic analysis algorithm that can cope with such data, like closed Facebook groups. So if you have an experience with such an NLP algorithms, we'll be happy to hear about.